Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark from TikTok video. So if you want to remove a watermark from your TikTok videos, you want to save a TikTok video without the watermark, you can just follow my steps in here. Because when you save video directly from TikTok, when you click on the share button and choose to save video, there will be a watermark attached on the video. And if you want to remove, or you don't want that watermark to ruin the video, you can just use the steps. The first one, you can use online watermark removers. There are several online tools such as Snaptic, Musically Down, or Capway that are designed to remove TikTok watermarks. So what you need to do in here is just find the TikTok videos that you want to save, and then you can copy the TikTok video link. So click on the share button and choose to copy link. And now you can just open your browser and find the online watermark removers by using the keyword TikTok video downloader. This one. And in here, as you guys can see, there are lots of online watermark removers such as this one, Snaptic, Musically Down, SafeTick.co, or SafeTT, and there are lots of options in here. You can just choose one and you can open the online watermark removers and just paste the link in here, the link that you've copied. Tap on download, and in here you can click on download again the video without watermark. On the next one is that you can download the video without the watermark using TikTok video downloader app. You can use platforms like Snaptic or TTD downloader. Let's just open your Play Store and find TikTok video downloader in here. TikTok downloader. You can see there are Snaptic, no watermarks video downloader, the thick video downloader for TT or TikToks, and you can just choose which one. So I've already installed the apps. I've already installed these Snaptic apps on my phone, so I've already copied the link. So I'm going to just open the Snaptic app. So once you open the TikTok video downloader application, so the link will automatically paste in here on the box, and there will be a video preview of the video that you want to download. So this one, the one that I want to download, so you can just tap on a download video in here. But as you guys can see, you need to watch an ad first to be able to download the video without watermark. And so that's all for me. If you found this video helpful, you can give it a like and share it to your friends. If you still have questions, you can drop them in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.